Welcome to SAR-AI, the AI-driven multi-level dashboard designed to revolutionize disaster response and management. Our core mission is to enable faster decisions, coordinated team deployment, and timely citizen alerts at the moment they are needed most. We start with the Admin Control Center, which serves as a central command hub. At a glance, the admin sees critical metrics, the total number of incidents active, how many drones are streaming live feeds, and the vital pending alerts and high priority events. The main panel immediately lists all incoming reports categorized by severity. We see three critical events: a building collapse near a market, a collapse near River Park, and a flooded street with vehicles stuck. This rapid triage capability is paramount. When the admin clicks open on a high priority incident, a detailed view appears. This sidebar is the nerve center for effective triage and control. At the top, the live drone stream for the affected area is immediately loaded, providing true raw situational awareness. Now, below the video, the admin can rapidly assign a rescue team, such as Team 1, with a single click sending SMS or alert to teams. The lower section features a status timeline to track progress, moving the incident from pending to reached. Most critically, the resources needed section tracks immediate requirements like medical supplies and oxygen cylinders, which are often determined based on the AI analysis of the live video feed. Next, the same validated data is instantly synthesized for the government dashboard designed from strategic national level oversight and resource planning. This view provides a concise incident overview table listing all active events with the current priority and status, ensuring leadership maintains a unified system for tracking severity, team deployments, and policy making. Finally, the data flows to the rescue team dashboard, which is hyper focused on field operations. Field operatives see only their assigned incident details, including location, severity, and estimated casualties. The integrated map view provides precise geographical context for efficient movement. Most vital of all is the dedicated drone support live feed on the right. This is not just a video, this footage is processed in the cloud by our AI using YOLO detection. The AI generates bounding boxes around every identified person, delivering a highly accurate real time count directly to the team. This intelligence enables field teams to precisely determine the exact number of people requiring aid, or be it for number of medical kits, ropes, or oxygen. SAR AI from intelligence to impact.